Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today being some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas, cat house, beautiful cat cave ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Most demanding collection, beautiful ideas. So viewers, please you must watch my video till the end. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, stylish pattern, most demanding collection. Beautiful ideas. Very nice. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors and different patterns, handmade knitting variety. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Please share for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.